Hi everybody, I'd like to record a live session of coding. So let's improve a little the open source project. Um, so create code space, random name is fine, and then SSH. Okay, so it will take a few seconds to load this environment, and then I will do some coding to make it better. I have also enabled a couple of shortcuts. This is the shortcut to put Websterm in full screen. Very convenient. And then I have disabled the tab bar if there is only one tab, so that we can maximize the real estate space for the terminal. Okay, so we have the environment up and running. We start IntelliJ first, and then we start, of course, Emacs. Okay, so the first thing we can notice here is that um, so this is the, I don't remember the name, but I think it's the workspace feature of Doom Emacs. So if we do tail workspace dot code space dot persist and then creation log, we will see that there is an exit one, okay? And this exit one here is because there is a bug in the code. So first of all, we will do Doom sync because the Doom sync didn't happen. Then we will kill Emacs and start Emacs again. And now it will not, we don't have the we don't have the workspaces anymore. So if we check, the workspace now is commented. So where is the code that fails? That code, we need to add the project workspace, code space, data engineering, oops, workspace, code spaces, and then this. Now we enter the project, I think is the 02 file. So this code, the admin login, because the environment variable is empty, then this function here sync fails because there is no remote admin server configure that actually we have in the code space that we use at work. So if we go to this, then open thinkable, git pull, and then here we can do Emacs, and then we can open the file 02. Here we have fixed the code with this. So I copy this, go back to this, paste. Didn't work, something. Copy, paste, Control V. Yeah, so I have to use Control V and not paste of Emacs because he's using Western. Yeah, now it looks the same. Doom sync, and then all this stuff doesn't make sense because um, these are private repos. Okay, so we remove this and this. What else? I mean, we added a couple of things that are interesting in package.l. We added git auto commit, but especially package keycast. Very cool. So let's open package.l, paste it, and then the other thing we need is the config.l, and here we define this piece of code. Um, so save and then config.l, where is it? This one. And here again. So this will load exit. Here we do. So first we do make install. So the new dot files are copied. Then we do doom sync. This will install the stuff. So they have built a package, and then of course we kill Emacs and then start Emacs. And now if we do file recent, we can go, for example, to this, and then we can do Keycast mode. And now you can see exactly the command that we are using, that I'm using here, because everything is a function, is a list function in Emacs. Very powerful. So let's make a commit for this short video. So space GG. This, I mean, it's better if I move this away, otherwise. This will start the Magit status. So this is the final minor mode, and then require keycast so that it triggers the after that defines the minor mode. And then here install the package, but you need to do require because this just install, so after will not be triggered if you just do package. And then here put a check on the admin login. I will explain in another video how the admin login, but it's just the login. So if you look it up in the manual of admin, you paste the login that you would do in the shell to you admin cloud, then it will work. But of course, yeah, I guess you need to do a fork because the environment variables are, no, actually you don't need to do a fork. You need to go in your settings and code spaces and then define a variable and then associate that variable with the repo. I don't know if you can associate with a repo that you don't own, but maybe you can. And then I remove some stuff, so clone repos that are private, so no need to add them. Yeah, so tab, now stage everything. CC is a feature, so fix, I mean, it's also a feature. Add Emacs package keycast and small fixes. And of course, we write I know the alias is not here, so we cannot put the co-author. So I don't know who's gonna be here the user. I don't know if I can push, to be honest. I don't know who is the user. So GitHub auth status. The active user is okay, is the one of the company, so it's fine. Yeah, so this save and then Control CC and then push. This is pushed. Now I and that's it for this video because it will take 30 minutes to build it. Thank you, everybody.